So class, once more welcome to you in this online classes. Today we will go the last part of the chapter 2, that is estimation. So let us learn how to estimate to rounding off any number to nearest 10, any number to nearest 100 and any number to nearest 1000. So first one is how to rounding off to nearest 10. So the number here 54, we have to round it off the 54. So let us write down 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Now the midway of this slot number is 55. So if the number lies left of the midway, then the nearest of this number will be towards the left, and if the number lies right of the midway, then the nearest of that number will be towards its right. So now number here is 55 is your midway, and the number you have to rounding off 54. So 54 is towards its left, towards the left of the midway. So the nearest of this 54 will be towards its left, and that number is 50. So 50 is your rounding off to nearest 10. Now next 259, this we will rounding off to nearest, rounding off to nearest 100. So let us rounding off to nearest 100. So the number here is 259, we have to round it off to 100. So let us write down 200, 210, 220, 230, 240, 250, 260, 270, 280, 290, 300. So the number here 259 is lying here. The midway here is 250 and the number is lying towards its right. So its nearest will be towards its right, that is 300. So 259 rounding off to nearest 100 will be 300. Next 2400. This we will round it off to 1000. Rounding off to nearest 1000. So let us do the number here 2400. How we will round it off? First of all, we will write 2000, 2100, 2200, 2300, 2400, 2500, 2600, 2700, 2800, 2900 and 3000. So 2400 is lying where? Let us first find out the midway. The midway here is 2500. So as the number is lying towards the left, to nearest will be towards the left, that is 2000. So by rounding off 2400, we will get 2000. Rounding off nearest 1000 of 240 is 2000. So this way we will solve how to round. We have learned here to rounding off to nearest 10, 100 and 1000. Now let us solve few questions. First of all, we will go with this example. Now estimate the sum of 870, 963 and 123. So let us rounding off to its nearest. So 870, let us rounding off to each number we will rounding off to 100. We will round it off to 100. So 870. So 870 is lying towards the right. 850 is the midway. So 870 is towards his right. So the number will be 900. The estimation will be 900 because it is crossing 50. Now 963, it is also crossing 50. So it will be towards his right. That is 1000. 123, it is not crossing this number 150. So it will be towards the left. So towards the left means nearest to 100 will be 100. So this way, first of all, we have we have just rounded off to its nearest 100. Now we will estimate the sum of rounding of numbers is 2000 by adding this to 900 plus 1000 plus 100. Add it up. 1000 plus 900 is 1900 plus 100 is 2000. So by adding this we get 2000. Now let us find out the actual sum. That number was 870, then your 963, then your 123. Now let's add it. 3 plus 3, 6 plus 0. The number will remain same, so 6. 6 plus 2 8 plus 7 15 5 carry 1, 8 plus 9 17 plus 1 18 plus 1 19, so 1956. So actual sum is 1956 and its rounding off is your 2000. By rounding off we get 2000. By rounding off the sum we get 2000. So this way we can find out the numbers. Now let us go with few more examples. We will solve exercise 2D next. So the question here, circle the correct approximate answer for each of the following calculation and also find the actual sum. Now here the number is 792. So the question here, the circle the correct approximate answer for each of the following calculation. Also find the actual sum. Now 792 plus 529. So let us add it. 792 and 521 will add. The actual sum will be 1321. But which one will be correct? If we do the rounding off to 100, then 792 will be rounded off to 800 and 529 to 500. So the correct answer will be the middle one. So let us encircle it, and in left side I had made the actual sum, that is 792 plus 529, that is 9 plus 2 11 carry 1, 9 plus 2 11 1 carry 1, 9 plus 11 12 2 carry 1, 7 plus 12 13. So 1321 is your actual sum and estimated sum is 800 plus 500, that is 1300. So if we estimate also this, if we rounding we get 1300. By rounding it we also get 1300. Now next 1010 plus 797. The best one is, you see, 1000 to its 100 is 1000 and 797 to its nearest 100 is 800. So 1000 plus 800, the estimated sum is here and your actual sum is here. So if we add this we will get 1807, and if we estimate this we will get 1800 by adding 1000 plus 800. This way we get it. Next 6105 plus 2745. The best option here is 6000 plus 3000. If we round it off to its nearest 1000, but if we round it off towards nearest 100, then the answer will be different. But we will try other things because we have done both the numbers with its nearest 100. Now this one we will do with nearest 1000. So 6105 will be 6000 and 2745 will be 3000. By adding these two, the estimated sum becomes 9000 and the actual sum becomes, by adding this, 5 plus 5 0, 1 carry, 4 plus 1 5, 7 plus 1 8, 6 plus 2 8, 8850 is actual sum and 9000 will be your estimated sum. So this way we can do it. So your chapter 2 ends here. We will continue with the next chapter 3 with your next classes. Thank you, students.